California Environmental Health Training in Emergency Response Expeditionary, or EHTER-X, presents Environmental Public Health in Action.
Over the next few days, we are offering environmental health training for emergency response, the expeditionary course.
Learn about EHTER-X.
Environmental health actually provides all these ranges of specialties from land use, waste management, soil, water, air specialists, housing, everything that human beings need to be alive, for us to thrive. Environmental health touches on that.
Emergency Mass Feeding Assessment.
So we have to cross-train. And the reason we have to cross-train is we don't know in a situation or emergency when we're not going to have that other staff member. So they have to see the big picture. They have to see the interconnections and where they can plug in and help out. But many times, during emergencies, people are not ready. They don't know what to do and they need guidance. But that's where public health, emergency services, as well as environmental health come together with our partner agencies to respond appropriately in a really fast manner to keep the public safe.
Personal Protective Equipment, or PPE, donning and doffing.
These course and the modules are actually very specific to help us to engage in all of these aspects in terms of communication, staff safety, the equipment that's necessary, also resources, really to learn about the incident command system to provide that type of capability as well as the knowledge that's needed to respond to an emergency.
We have representation not only from Orange County, we have San Bernardino, LA as well, which is very important. We have neighbors training together so that they can help each other during an actual disaster response and recovery. Connecting key partners is an essential component of this training.
The role of an environmental health specialist is we are the local, we know the area. We are able to plug ourselves in and be useful like from the first moment we get deployed. Because this is it's going to be our community that we're dealing with. And so we have a personal interest in making sure that our communities are able to get back on their feet and continue. And it's not only during a disaster, but after the disaster, the communication, the partnership continues. We're going to be there for them. We're going to guide them through. We're going to give product support, and we're going to help them to get back on their feet and to open up their doors and serve the community and return to normalcy as soon as possible.
Emergency Shelter Assessment.
I think this course has been able to bring up some gaps that maybe we don't think about, and essentially what we can work on. And working on these issues, like there's issues that I saw during the food prep, doing the inspection, doing the communication of the radios, working with the PPEs, and I saw some of the good things that what we do well, what we don't do well, and what we can improve on.
Addressing health equity barriers.
In an emergency, you want to kind of jump into what you're comfortable with, but there's a chance that you're going to be doing something you've just learned how to do 5 minutes ago. And so getting familiar with some of those tools was really helpful.
Hands-on radio training. Hands-on assessment tools training. Impacted site assessment. Environmental health is a skilled partner for emergency management. Connect with us to learn more. Visit our website at go.cdph.ca.gov/CAL-EHTER.